Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Sentra headlight bulb. First, gather your tools: a new bulb, a Phillips head screwdriver, and possibly a 10mm socket wrench. Ensure your engine is off and cool to the touch. Locate the headlight assembly behind the front bumper. This initial preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's access the bulb. Depending on your Sentra model, you might need to remove the air intake duct or even the battery for better access. Once you can reach the back of the headlight, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb. Then, unclip the retaining spring or twist off the protective cover that holds the bulb in place. With the old bulb exposed, gently pull it straight out from the housing. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Finally, secure the retaining clip or twist the protective cover back into its original position. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, making sure it clicks firmly into place. Now, reinstall any components you removed earlier, such as the air intake duct or battery. Once everything is back together, turn on your headlights to test the new bulb. Confirm both low and high beams are working correctly before you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.